Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Stihl trimmer. It's an FS55RC model. It definitely needs some work. The primer bulb is so hard it won't even push down. It's cracked and everything. So we're definitely have to go through the carburetor. Probably clean the tank out, see if we can get it running. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, before I get too carried away on this 2-cycle stuff, I always want to check the plug. That will show me how it was burning and make sure the piston ain't scored before I spend all this time cleaning the carburetor and stuff. Well, it looks like this thing sat for a long time. Actually, it was running really good, like a light brown tint to it, no black. So when it was running good. Need a 15/16 nut driver or 8mm socket. Take that air cleaner base off. Well, look at that primer bulb. Okay, need to pop the fuel lines off. The one that brings the gas to the carburetor and the return line when you push the primer bulb. And we'll lift up on the throttle, and there we go. It's a Zama carburetor. I'm gonna clean the outside a little bit. Before we tear it apart, so none of that dirt don't go in there. And on these fuel lines, you gotta check them for cracks. So let me get the carburetor cleaned up and we'll tear it apart. Okay, let's go ahead and tear the carburetor apart. Now we take this top off. Where the hoses go up to are both on the same side, so when we put it back together, you gotta remember that. Yeah, that's really stiff. You can hear it. It's just brittle. There's no way that thing was gonna pump gas to get the razor blade and clean it off. It's stuck on there pretty good. See how brittle that is. That thing couldn't pump air. Get all that old debris off there. Blow it off real good. And see, when they sit for a long time, the gas evaporates, and all that's left is the oil. So I'm gonna go find a carburetor kit for this. That gasket's all hard and brittle too. Make sure you get it all off. Okay, I'm gonna find the carburetor kit. I got a primer bulb already, and there's a little crack on this one on the fuel pickup lines. There's a little crack right for it. Goes right here. It's starting to crack right there. I don't know if it's all the way through or not, but we might as well put a new one on there so they don't come back when that starts leaking and saying it don't run. So we'll just do it all right now. Okay, found the carburetor kit. It's a actual Zama kit. It's a GND-33. And when you buy kits from like your local small engine shop or on eBay or Amazon, always look through the package and make sure it all looks the same before you open the package. It's a lot easier to return that way. Give this carburetor a final cleaning here before we put together. Okay, we'll do this side first. Like little pins. Hold the gaskets into place. And we'll open the throttle a little bit so we can get in there and pop it into place. And on the Zama carburetors right down in here, I don't know if you can read it, C10. There's a C10. That's how you can look up your carburetor kits and stuff. There'll be a set of letters and numbers in there. Okay. Well, that just like glass. Make sure these are all started and stuff for you to start tightening one up. So this is the return line. So when you're pushing the power bulb, gas is getting sucked in here and it's coming back out this one to go back in the tank. So let's take out the old fuel lines out of the tank and put the new ones in with the new filter. Pop it on out of there. Don't look that bad, but it's starting to crack up along them ridges right there. Just toss that one aside. We got our brand new one here. And we're going to stick it in like this. So when we put the carburetor back in, this one here is your overflow. That one's on the top one here. And see, this lets the gas out right under the tank. And this one's your fuel pickup. So that one will go on that one. So we're going to kind of put it in like that. I'm going to spray some lubricant on that so it goes in there a lot easier, so I don't have to worry about tearing anything. A little WD-40 is fine, or anything like it. So we'll push one side in and just slowly work our way around, just like that. It's a lot easier to put a little bit of lubricant on there. We'll have to turn it a little bit so when we put the carburetor in, so it don't smash the lines. That's fine like that there. Now we're going to open up the throttle and insert our throttle cable. Just like that. Now we can hook up our fuel lines. Put our 5/16 or 8mm nuts on there. And the two mixture screws on the side, one's a high and one's a low. I'm just gonna turn them out like not even a quarter of a turn out. So just a little bit more rich, and if I need to fine tune it afterwards, I will. But we'll get the gas can and a spark plug. It means just sat for a long time. I'm gonna spray a little bit of WD-40 in there just to lube that piston ring until the oil that's in the gas will go up there and lube it up. I don't know if it means that big a deal or not, but that's what I always do. I'm gonna go grab a plug in the gas can. These here should be gapped like around between 25 and 28, around in there. Some 2-cycle fuel in there. Premium, no ethanol. With your 2-cycle oil. We got an air leak. There we go. Choke on. Alright, well that thing runs. Now all I gotta do is put some new blades on the, I just gotta put them plastic blades on the end of it. Them are getting kind of wore out, but anyway, I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.